Staying on your side of the road is really important, but there are certain times where crossing the centre line can make things safer, and in this video we're going to have a little look. It's not for these bends that I've just been going round, but it's for a cyclist a little touch further up the road. When I spot him in the distance, my speed starts to slow and I check behind me, and as there's no one there, I position wide and early for my best view. This does a couple of things. It gives me more space to keep the cyclist safe, and it also gives me a much better view up the road. Let's just take you back to the view that I had when I was in the left lane. Notice, because of the left bend coming up, I can't see much to the left of the cyclist round the bend. This does improve slightly as you get closer to the cyclist, but it improves much more and much quicker if you move out to the right. I'm sure there's a few people out there who would be worried about doing this because of the oncoming cars. But taking up a wide early position allows you to see them more, and they will also be able to see you sooner. I will also add at this point that this can only be done on wide open sweeping bends. If it's a tight corner, stay behind the cyclist until you're fully round. You always need to be driving at a speed and seeing far enough so if a car came the other direction, you could comfortably get back to your correct side of the road. And in this scenario, it would mean staying behind the first cyclist on the left. If anyone's going to have a practice at this that's not done this before, try baby steps first. Your first go could be on a bend where there's no cyclist there. You don't have to go all the way out to the opposite side of the carriageway on your first attempt. Pinch an inch perhaps. Please let us know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you all soon.